machine. Look at that, such a beauty. Oops. Hey guys, so I am finally unboxing my Curio machine. Here it is, a bit heavy, but so you can see. I ordered this from the States on Amazon and I had it shipped to someone's house there, and they put it in a balikbayan box, and now I have it after I think 4 months. So I'm quite excited to finally see what's inside. I ordered this as a package, so it actually comes with a couple of like metal sheets for embossing. So I decided to buy a Curio instead of a Cameo because I wanted to do other stuff like embossing, and I think you can do engraving as well, and the Cameo only allows you to do cutting, paper art. I wasn't really sure what other kinds of craft I wanted to do, so Curio was the best option for me. Its software is also offline, so I chose it over the other machines out there that had good softwares but were only available online. So let's start opening it. I was quite excited yesterday because I really wanted to set it up and finally see how it all works. I've already downloaded the software, the Silhouette Studio. Okay. And so first thing we have here, oops, oh, so many cards, is a tutorial booklet I got for free, part of the package on Amazon. It's from Swing Designs. And I also have a couple of cards here. I have a 1-month membership for the Silhouette University. And there's also some links to Swing Design files. Oh, here. This is what I wanted, a 30-day membership to Club Silhouette. This will allow me to actually access some of the design files there, and I can decide later on if I want to continue subscribing to it, but of course I'll have to pay. So it's a very thin booklet. It just shows, I guess, how you mount the paper, do the cutting and stuff like that. I know how to use Photoshop, so I'm guessing it wouldn't be that difficult. Okay. So this package I got from Amazon. I chose it because it was supposed to have the large base. Unfortunately, the supplier said they ran out of the large base. I'm still waiting for them to update me if they can send it by the end of the year. They wanted to refund me, but it's more expensive to buy the large base separately. So I insisted that, you know, maybe they would have supplies of it this year, so I would rather just wait. I'm opening it. Okay, so I'm guessing this is where you mount the paper. You attach it to the craft machine. We'll see how or where it goes later. So I got a lot of freebies from the package I got. Later I'll post how much exactly it was. I actually did a lot of comparing. I actually computed the cost of the individual items and how much it would cost me to buy them separately. So I decided this was one of the best packages online if I wanted to actually buy the other stuff. So it has embossing paper with it, and I have sketch pens. I have 2 more metallic ones, but I forgot to bring it as well. But this one is like the basic one. These are the bases. I'm guessing these are the cutting board. Oh, let me open it. Okay. So So I'm not sure if this is the cutting board or this is like a big scan mat. I'm guessing an embossing mat as well would be here. So later on, I'll be able to figure it out when I actually try it. Here are more embossing paper. So I have metal sheets here. This is for etching in gold and for stippling or stipling in silver. I'm gonna use this for some souvenirs I'm gonna make for Christmas. This is the etching and stippling tool. So you need to check if the tools are included in the machine that you're gonna buy, because the basic machine I think doesn't have some of the tools. I also ordered a premium blade because I wasn't sure if I can order it here in the Philippines. I also got a deep cut blade for cardstock, I'm guessing, or I'll see if I can use it for leather as well. And these are pen holders. I think this is a must because if you wanted to use other markers, or if you run out of the sketch pens, you can actually use it. I'm guessing this is the cutting tool and maybe some embossing tools. So here's another card. It's a 1-month subscription card for Silhouette Studio. And this is the installer, but I already installed mine by downloading the app on the website. And this is the manual, I'm guessing. I will have to read everything there. Okay, for the important part, finally opening, seeing the machine. Oh, okay. There. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so I have USB cables and then the charger. You're gonna plug in out. And this, let's put this away first. And this shiny thing is the machine. Look at that, such a beauty. Oops. See? It's actually quite light. It looks like a printer if you open it. So this is where, oops, sorry. So this is where the pens go in. I'm guessing you could just put the pens there and the cutting tools. So we'll have to figure that out later. Otherwise, it looks cool, very clean design. That's why I liked it. So there it is, my Silhouette Curio.